Withdrawing money from Zelle to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open your banking app. Launch the mobile banking app of the bank where your Zelle account is linked. Make sure you are logged in with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Zelle. Look for the Zelle option within your banking app. This is usually found in the menu or on the main dashboard, depending on your bank's app layout. Step 3. Select the transfer option. Once in the Zelle section, find the option to transfer or withdraw funds. This may be labeled as send money, transfer to bank, or something similar. Step 4. Choose the amount. Enter the amount of money you wish to withdraw from your Zelle balance to your bank account. Double check the amount to ensure it is correct. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. You may receive a notification or email confirming the successful withdrawal. After completing these steps, the funds should be available in your bank account shortly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to your bank's customer service for assistance.